This Swansboro Port Realty property video is presented by Jeff Price. 3-bedroom 2.5 bath with large bonus room a block away from a state-maintained boat ramp. Large privacy-fenced backyard in a quiet residential subdivision close to base, beaches, schools and more. The master suite has a walk-in closet and large garden tub. This home includes a fireplace, shower stall in the laundry room in addition to the 2.5 bathrooms, stainless steel appliances and a large 2-car garage. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Price at 910-326-8855.